Ken's going to explain to us a little bit about what to do when a defective product hurts you. And of course, that's timely because a lot of folks will be getting new items at Christmas and through the holiday season. And if you get hurt by it, you need to know what to do.
Well, you hear about defective products, you hear about defective drugs, defective implants, things of that nature. So really, we want to educate our viewers about what you have to prove if you do have a dangerous or defective product. Number one, you have to prove that the product was actually defective or dangerous, and you can't misuse the product. You have to use the product in the way that the manufacturer intended the product to be used. So proving that the product was dangerous or defective. Then you have to prove that you were actually injured by the product, and that's not just enough. You have to prove that the defect that you're complaining about actually caused the injury, and these defects can be manufacturing defects. They can be marketing defects. A company can fail to warn you. So we see those types of cases all the time, and it's just not enough to say that you have a dangerous product that injured you. You have to go through the process just like every other case and prove that the defect, the defect of the dangerous product actually led to and caused your injuries. And it's a complicated process, but it happens all the time. And unfortunately, there are a lot of dangerous products out there still, and a lot of dangerous products out there and drugs that continue to be placed on the market. So that's a little tip for you. Dangerous products.
Yeah, a lot more to it than what you probably thought. So if you need more information, head to our website, myfoxal.com, and click on there. We're showing you Law Call, real easy. Click on that tab. We'll have a lot of information for you. You can also go to frplegal.com.